In today's video, I am going to teach you how to apply Hlookup in Microsoft Excel. We are going to build a simple lookup table and then use the Hlookup function to pull a result based on a search value. As you follow along, keep your eyes on the cells we are filling, since the function depends on the exact ranges and row numbers. To begin, open the spreadsheet where you want to set up the table. In cell A1, type quarter. Then in cell A2, type sales. After that, in cell A3, type tax. Take a moment here to make sure those labels are exactly spelled, because later we will reference the area that contains these headers and values. This left column is giving meaning to the rows in the lookup table. Next, we will place the quarter headings across the top. In cell B1, type Q1. Then in cell C1, type Q2. Then in cell D1, type Q3. This creates horizontal headings, which is what makes Hlookup the correct choice. Hlookup looks across the top row area to find your search value. Now we will enter the numeric values for each quarter under the quarter headings. In cell B2, type 15000. Then in cell C2, type 22000. Then in cell D2, type 1800. These values represent sales for each quarter. Make sure each number is entered in the correct column under the matching quarter heading. After the sales row, we will fill in the tax row. In cell B3, type 1500. Then in cell C3, type 2200. Then in cell D3, type 1800. At this point, your table should have quarter labels across the top, and then sales and tax values aligned underneath those labels. This alignment matters because Hlookup will return data from a specific row within the chosen table range. With the lookup table ready, we will set up the area where the result will be displayed. In cell F1, type target quarter. Then in cell G1, type result value. This makes it clear what the input is and where the output will appear. It is a good habit to label your input and output cells before writing formulas. Now we will enter the search parameter. Type your search parameter Q2 directly into cell F2. This means we are asking Excel to find the column where the quarter equals Q2 and then return the value from the row we specify in the Hlookup formula. If you later change F2 to a different quarter, the result cell will update automatically. Next, we will prepare the destination cell for the formula. Click on cell G2. This is where Excel will show the result. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct cell, because the formula needs to be entered into the location that will display the output. Now it is time to write the Hlookup formula. In cell G2, type the formula $Hlookup F2 B1 D3 2 false. As you type, pay close attention to the commas and punctuation. The first part, F2, is the value you want to search for. The second part, B1 D3, is the table array that contains the headers and data. The number 2 tells Excel which row inside that table to return, counting from the top row of the selected range. The false setting ensures Excel looks for an exact match to the search value. Finally, press the Enter key on your keyboard to display the sales output. After you press Enter, cell G2 should show the value that corresponds to Q2 from the row we selected. If you change the value in cell F2 to another quarter like Q1 or Q3, you should see the result update accordingly, as long as that quarter exists in the top header row. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.